5 drops.
Just a little bit.
Yes, a little bit. Ito benar benar boleh dikasih. Masih ada lagi.
People are going to breathe it, but don't feel it. And what's the one? Deliver. Stop you from peeing.
No, it's not the pain.
I think so.
I don't know what it's for.
Alltså lapparen is just also like all
I don't know
the
what it's for.
Yeah. Så vi lappar iväg först och vi kör sen
You said that the one is for your liver.
Yes.
How do I know if my liver is unwell?
Ese ngo yamenye ute umwijima urarwaye cyangwa ntabwo urwaye?
Umwijima urangwa mu maso.
Oh, like yellow eyes.
Ubundi umwijima ugirisha ibirenge.
It makes even the body becomes big. Even in the stomach.
So that's
The symptoms, the signs that you are affected by. Have you heard? Nicholas and the they didn't hear. She was telling us the signs and symptoms when they are affected with the liver. One, it starts with the eyes becoming somehow yellow, and then your body becomes the legs will start becoming big, even the stomach. Yes. So from there they start detecting you are affected with the liver.
yes.
But they don't do that. That's why.
Yeah, so that's what we
Already do like
That all checks out well with your medical experience.
Oh yeah. You know, with the liver, for example, like all these different diseases like hepatitis and so forth, change color of the eyes, jaundice and so forth. Yeah. The liver, we call it the master chemist. It does many things. The liver, you know. Yeah.
Were you a doctor?
Yeah. No, I'm a nurse.
Are you a nurse?
Yeah. That's what I retired from. Yeah. So that's where I got my background in. You know, so that's why people who like lose a liver and they can't get, they die. You know, yeah. There's so many different functions.
Yes.
Yeah.
It started becoming green. It was green before.
Just take a look.
After mixing it up, it changes to purple, then to red.
Okay. All right. Stuff.
Yeah.